How to choose the integral guided surgery kit that best suits your practice. Hello, my name is Audrey. I'm a training manager at Campus Antiochia. In this short video, I will explain you how to choose the integral guided surgery kit combined with dedicated sleeves, which will be the most adapted to your practice. 4 criteria are to be considered: whether you are placing ABL or a TL implant, the implant diameter you are placing, the interdental spaces, and the clinical indications. Ready? Let's go! One, find the right sleeve for your indication. 2. Find the right kit for your practice. The integral range gives you the freedom to match your clinical needs as closely as possible. Smart kits and instruments are designed to enhance the accuracy and ergonomics of your surgical procedures. I hope you liked this video, and I wish to see you soon for another campus video tutorial.